Respect is not something you ask for. It is something you become. It is something you build in silence. Something you win through struggle. Something you earn through the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you fight for your life. Respect is not bought. Respect is not borrowed. Respect is not gifted. Respect is forged, like iron shaped in fire. And that fire is your journey. The world does not owe you validation. The world does not owe you admiration. The world only watches. It observes. It tests you. It pushes you to see if you will break or if you will rise. And most people break. Most people complain. Most people want respect without responsibility, recognition without effort, rewards without sacrifice. But not you. Not anymore. Because this is the moment your life changes. This is the moment you stop waiting for approval. This is the moment you stop being the person who tries to fit in and start being the person they can't ignore. Respect is earned through resilience, through waking up every day with a purpose so strong that no insult can shake it. No rejection can destroy it, and no failure can break it. People won't respect you because of what you say. They will respect you because of what you survive, because of what you endure, because of how many times you fall and still rise stronger, louder, sharper, more dangerous than before. Respect begins when you stop living for the world and start living for your mission. When you stop reacting to opinions and start responding to opportunities. When you stop proving yourself to others and start proving yourself to the person in the mirror. You earn respect the day you decide to take control of your own life. The day you decide to demand more of yourself than anyone else ever will. You earn respect by being the one who doesn't make excuses, the one who doesn't back down, the one who keeps moving forward even when every muscle hurts, every door closes, every voice tells you to quit. Respect is earned by those who refuse to break. People respect discipline. People respect consistency. People respect the quiet warrior who trains when no one is watching, who grinds when everyone else sleeps, who keeps their head down and focuses on becoming undeniable. Respect is not loud. Respect is not noisy. Respect is not flashy. Respect is silent. It's built in the hours when no one claps for you, in the nights when no one sees your tears, in the days when no one understands your struggle. Respect grows in the places where doubt tries to bury you. You earn your respect when you stop chasing acceptance and start chasing growth. When you stop trying to be liked and start trying to be legendary. When your actions speak so loudly that your haters fall silent. Respect is the result of becoming the kind of person who turns pain into power, who turns wounds into wisdom, who turns fear into fuel. Respect is earned when you stay true to your values, even when the world pressures you to break them. When you show loyalty in a world full of betrayal. When you remain humble in a world full of ego. When you stay focused in a world full of distraction. Respect is not in the clothes you wear or the things you buy. Respect is in the integrity you carry. Respect comes when you learn to control your emotions. When you stay calm in chaos. When you choose patience over anger. When you choose intelligence over reaction. When you choose silence over pointless battles. A wise man earns more respect by what he walks away from than by what he fights for. People learn to respect the person who knows their worth so deeply that they do not beg. They do not chase. They do not crumble. You earn respect by being strong enough to stand alone and brave enough to walk your own path. Even if that path is lonely. Even if that path is painful. Even if that path makes people doubt you. The truth is simple. If you want the world to respect you, you must first respect yourself. Respect your time. Stop wasting it on people who drain you. Respect your mind. Feed it knowledge, discipline, purpose. Respect your body. Take care of it. Push it. Honor it. Respect your dreams. Fight for them even when no one believes in them. And when you do that, something begins to change. People start watching differently. People start talking differently. People start treating you differently. Not because you forced them to, but because you evolved. Because you grew. Because you transformed into someone who cannot be ignored. Someone who cannot be disrespected. Someone who cannot be broken. Respect is earned by actions, by showing up every single day, by being accountable, by building yourself brick by brick. Even if no one applauds, even if no one supports you, even if no one stands with you. Because once you earn self-respect, the world follows. Not immediately, not instantly, but eventually. People respect strength. People respect capability. People respect mastery. People respect consistency. And most of all, people respect the man who respects himself enough to chase greatness without fear. Remember, you are not here to be average. You are not here to live quietly. You are not here to blend in. You are here to build a legacy that forces the world to respect your name long after you are gone. So rise, harden your mind, strengthen your spirit. Carry yourself like someone who demands excellence from himself. Respect is not given. Respect is not offered. Respect is not donated. Respect is earned. And today, your earning begins. Respect is earned in the moments when you choose discipline over comfort. When you decide that your future matters more than your excuses. When you stop waiting for the perfect moment and start using the moment you have. Every single time you push yourself outside your comfort zone, every time you force yourself to take one more step, every time you choose growth over laziness, you build a piece of respect within yourself. And that internal respect is the foundation for everything else. You want people to treat you seriously? Start treating yourself seriously. You want people to stop disrespecting you. Stop disrespecting your own potential. Because people follow the energy you show. If you act like you don't matter, they will treat you like you don't matter. If you act like your time is worthless, they will waste it. If you act like you have no boundaries, they will cross every line. Respect starts with you. The world mirrors what you project. When you walk with confidence that comes from discipline. When your presence feels sharp because you've trained your mind. When your eyes carry ambition instead of fear, people feel it. They sense it. They adjust themselves around you. Not because you intimidated them, but because you've elevated yourself. You earn respect by becoming reliable, by doing what you say, by showing up when it's inconvenient, by holding yourself to a standard even when no one is checking. Reliability is rare. Discipline is rare. Integrity is rare. That is why those who possess them naturally earn respect. Without trying, people begin to trust your word. People begin to trust your decisions. People begin to look up to you, not because you asked for it, but because you lived in a way that made them believe in you. Listen carefully. Respect is not loud. Respect is not aggressive. Respect is not begging to be seen. True respect is calm. True respect is controlled. True respect is quiet power. You earn respect by mastering your emotions, by not losing your temper during conflict, by not folding under pressure, by not reacting to every insult thrown your way. Weak men react instantly. Strong men breathe, analyze, and choose the best response. And because they control themselves, they control the situation. People respect those who stay unshakable even during chaos. They respect the person who moves with intention, not impulse. But earning respect is not just about discipline, it's also about courage. The courage to speak your truth. The courage to take responsibility for your mistakes. The courage to admit when you are wrong. The courage to stand for something even when you stand alone. Cowards hide behind lies. Cowards blame others. Cowards pretend to be something they are not. And the world never respects a coward. But when you take ownership, when you say, "Yes, I failed, but I will rise again," the world listens. Because real strength is not in perfection, it is in accountability. You earn respect by refusing to be controlled by people, by opinions, by fear. When you focus so intensely on your purpose that criticism becomes noise, gossip becomes irrelevant, and hate becomes meaningless, you evolve. People respect the one who keeps moving forward even when storms try to stop him. Respect grows when people see that you cannot be manipulated by validation, that you do not crumble under judgment, that you do not depend on applause to stay motivated. You become untouchable the day you stop seeking approval, and start seeking improvement. Respect is earned when you know how to stand tall after being broken. When you take all the pain thrown at you and turn it into armor. When you take betrayal and turn it into wisdom. When you take loneliness and turn it into strength. People admire your victories, but they respect your scars. They respect the battles you survived. They respect the storms you walked through without collapsing. Because scars tell a story of resilience, a story of growth, a story of someone who refused to give up. You want to earn respect? Stop talking, start doing. Because talk is cheap, but action is priceless. Action builds reputation. Action builds credibility. Action builds respect. Every time you work on yourself, every hour you invest in your skills, every sacrifice you make for your future, you are earning respect silently. You don't need to post it. You don't need to brag about it. You don't need to announce it. The results will speak on your behalf. The transformation will be your proof. And the world will witness it, whether they want to or not. Remember, the most respected people in the world didn't get there by accident. They got there by consistency. They got there by doing the work every single day, even on the days they didn't feel like it. They built habits when others built excuses. They built discipline when others built comfort. They built resilience when others built fear. And because of that, they earned their respect, not once, but continuously. Respect must be maintained. It is not a one-time achievement. You must continue becoming better, stronger, smarter. You must continue showing discipline, loyalty, integrity. You must continue proving to yourself that you are worthy of respect, not just today, but every day. The moment you stop growing is the moment you stop earning. So carry yourself like someone who is building a kingdom brick by brick, habit by habit, choice by choice. Speak with purpose, move with intention, live with discipline, and work like someone who refuses to be average. Respect is earned by the man you become, not by the words you speak, but by the life you build.